The Mesquite High School Welding Program is a skills-based trade class where you learn to utilize multiple welding processes for everyday projects, whether it's hobby, fabrication, or industrial skills. It's also a great way to express your artistic design. What's great about welding, it's an interactive multi-year program where you continue to practice what you learn and master your skill sets on different levels and types of welding equipment. This class helps you to gain self-confidence, practice critical thinking skills, and problem solve on the go as you practice your welds and fabricate projects.
My name is Fernando Hernandez. I was part of the class of 2021 at Mesquite High School. There are 2 per years of welding. There I learned good skills to create stuff, fabricate things that I never thought that I would create in my life. I'm taking classes here at Eastville College now. This is my 2nd semester, and I'm working on getting my associate degree. I'm planning to be a welding fabricator. I hope you'll do the same.
This is an in-demand trade which offers employment at any skill level. As well, we have industry partners who want to hire you and pay you competitive wages for your skills as soon as you graduate high school. If you learn by hands-on, the Mesquite High Welding Program is for you. See your counselors and apply today.